Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and welcome to the new year of project kit unboxings here on the channel. So I'm uploading this now, which is normally the day I upload my show and tells, if you are familiar with my channel, so I can get the unboxing of this out of the way, and then we'll start unpacking the Mary Maxim stuff. So don't worry, that will be filmed actually later today, but I wanted to make sure that this gets out now, so I've got time to work on it, you have time to look at it, things like that, before we start getting into the Mary Maxim boxes. I still have, I believe the Mary Maxim box videos will start going up either Monday or Tuesday of next week. I will have my goals video for 2021 up on Saturday. So as the title suggests, today we're going to be unboxing my first month with Crochet Surprise. So this is my second most requested yarn subscription box to review on here. I have been very hesitant to review this box because I know how fanatic the fans of the subscription box really are. And if I don't like it, the last thing I want to have is drama here on my channel. But because it is so requested, because the love for this box is so great, it's only fair for you guys if I do go ahead, bite the bullet, and review this subscription box. If you are not familiar with my subscription box review series, I get a box for 3 months. I don't really unbox them here. Like, it's not a surprise. I've already got it unboxed. Actually, this month's box got crushed, so I've just got things laying in front of me on the floor over here. But, yeah, so I get the boxes for 3 months. I do 3 unboxing videos and then a final recap of my thoughts and feelings. I analyze the overall cost value of these subscription boxes versus their real retail prices. When we have a pattern that is specific to a line or a designer or the collection, then I will estimate a value for the pattern if I don't find the pattern to be available to purchase somewhere else. Let's see what else is there. This isn't a if I don't like it kind of thing. This is I try to be very analytical. Numbers don't lie as to cost value. But there are things, if you just love it, you love it. And that's fantastic. That's a wonderful thing. This isn't a video series meant to tell you what you're supposed to like or not supposed to like. So first off, we got a little card here, and inside of this is the pattern, and on the back it talks about the tea that we got this month. This is a yarn crochet project, crochet surprise, yarn crochet pattern and tea subscription box, which I think is actually a really cool concept because I am super into hot beverages. I was actually just joking with another YouTuber the other day about how much coffee I drink. I drink tea for pleasure and relaxation. I drink coffee for coffee. So I enjoy tea. I have a tea press. I have a tea ball. I have an electric kettle. I have multiple ways to prepare tea, just like I do for coffee, because I have a coffee press, a Keurig, and a coffee pot. I did get rid of my espresso machine finally. We just didn't drink that much espresso. Anyway, that's a whole nother can of worms over there. So the monthly price before shipping for this box is $19.96. So it's really not that expensive of a box. I've done more expensive boxes on here. I've done less expensive boxes on here. So this is kind of like a base standard prices, that $20 to $25 thing. Now, I do believe when you are taking a risk on what you're getting, you should get 20 to 25% off on a mysteries subscription box like this. Welcome to what's to come in 2021. I will be doing a paper subscription as well, which will also mean I'm not doubling up anymore after this Mary Maxim thing. Crochet and yarn subscription boxes 2 at a time. It's too much for me to work through them. 1 subscription box so, at a time. It's a lot. It's a lot. So I will be doing December's, January's, and February's. I have had this since Christmas week. Crazy. Holidays. Things have been going on. So this is late being videoed and uploaded to share with you guys what I got in my first month. But let's roll on with it and discuss value. I've already shown you my pattern, or the card. The pattern, try to not share it with you guys, is this cowl. Or actually, they call it an infinity scarf. So I'm assuming it actually works up longer. They just have it wrapped in both pictures. Actually, I missed the fact that they do tell you. So when I do my final review, I will adjust the prices on this. But this pattern is available online at Etsy from Stitchberry Patterns. Somehow I managed to miss that. But that's nothing new if you've been with my channel for any length of time. So I will adjust the value of the pattern based on what this pattern cost on the actual website. I estimated it at $3.62 based on 6 different patterns that I found available on Ravelry and Etsy to purchase. I only look at the 2 purchase patterns for these, average 6 together, and come up with a price. So $3.62 is what I came up with, just picking at random similar style patterns. The tea we got is from the Jasmine Pearl Tea Company. It is the Cocoa Mint Black Tea Blend, a dessert blend of black impurities with cacao nibs, peppermint, and a touch of vanilla. It's in a beautiful packet. I have a tea press, so I will be getting 2 cups at a time out of this. Loose tea always goes much further than you think it does, so you've got a couple of cups of tea in this. I mean, this is actually a really good size. When I buy from my local tea shop, I generally buy 2 ounces, and I get like pitchers of tea, multiple pitchers of tea out of that. Let's see, we've got black tea, peppermint, cacao, carob, honey, and vanilla. Natural honey flavor and vanilla. So I did pull them up online. They sell this in a 2-ounce package online for $6.80. This is a 1-ounce package, so the value on this is $3.40. That is, by the way, super reasonable for loose leaf tea. Their prices are really nice. I look forward to trying it, see what I think of the tea. I was very excited about that. And we got 4 balls of Lion Brand Basic Stitch, which came up to $19.96 in value. And we got it in this, eggplant or aubergine. Actually, I'm going to set it up here so my shelf doesn't look so bare while I film my other videos today, and I don't get this lost anywhere. But yeah, this is Lion Brand's version of an anti-pilling yarn. It's very soft. It's a worsted weight acrylic. 100 grams, 185 yards. So, I mean, it's comparable to like Premier Anti-Pilling. If you've been here before, you know how much I love my Premier Anti-Pilling yarn. So I'm not angry at the color. Purple's right up my alley. I have been wearing a lot more cowls and infinity scarves this year. I've complained, if you go back and look, I actually have a playlist dedicated to my review series. I've complained in the past about getting cowls and infinity scarves because I feel like we were just getting so many of them every month. I mean, it's like every month. That's what we were getting. We were getting a shawlette, a cowl, or an infinity scarf. And it was very frustrating because at the time I did not wear anything but the shawlette scarves. I have been wearing a lot more infinity scarves and cowls recently. It's just been a lot easier. It's been very moist and very cold this winter so far. So I kind of got on the cowl bandwagon. So I'm not mad. Make this look pretty here. I'm not mad about getting this. I do love a good worsted weight anti-pilling acrylic. So, and this is a smaller business. This isn't, you know, most of these boxes, aside from like a Mary Maxim or an Annie's, they are smaller businesses. The yarn community is not as big as we feel like it is. So, oh, also, this is in no way sponsored. They have no clue who I am. I purchased these 100% with my own money. So when I start talking about value and I get very passionate about where I'm putting my money, it's because I'm putting my money into these kits every month that I bring to you guys. I don't have any sponsored content on here. It actually would be against the law for me to not disclose sponsored content or if I got a product to review for free. Hence why you never hear me say, hey, I got sent this, because I don't get sent anything. None of my content is sponsored content. That has come up in previous review series. So anyway, our total value is $26.98. The cost of the box is $29.95. The monthly charge after shipping is $39.95. So we are actually starting off kind of on a bad foot with an 11% over. We are $2.97 over cost for what this month's box cost. Now, this is actually one of the reasons why I do 3 months normally with a subscription service, because some months you might not have a great value. Other months you might have an enormous value. I'm okay with that. Month to month, I'm okay with that. What I will be concerned with, though, is based on the pricing, what are we going to end up with after 3 months? So this is December's box. Apparently November's was jamming. I didn't get November's subscription box. I just got December so far. So hopefully the next 2 months will be stellar and spectacular. I do like the project. I love a good mint tea. I've been hearing a lot about Stash Christmas in Paris, and I found some on clearance when I was at the grocery store yesterday, and that is another chocolate mint combo. Now I know why so many of my friends are obsessed with that tea. It is actually really, really good. It's light, and it's got like that buttermint flavor to it, not like a peppermint candy cane. So I'm hoping this is a black tea variant of the same thing. So next month, I'll actually try to have a cup while I'm filming, but it's been too much of a kerfuffle today. It's already like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I have minimum 3 more videos left to film before I finish up for today, and I need to get this uploaded. So anyway, I'm going to end here. I'm not going to continue babbling, but this is month 1 with Crochet Surprise. We're at 11% overage, which we know how Carrie feels about that, and that's before tax and shipping. After tax and shipping, like I said, it was $39.95. So I actually just got charged for January's box, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, you guys, take care. I love you, and I will see you guys real soon.